Hello, this tutorial is going to show you how to use the integrated RefWorks citation management tool in Microsoft Word Online to automate your citations in your research papers and to help you save time. Once you've created your RefWorks account, have research saved, and are ready to start writing, go ahead and start an ERAU, select the waffle menu on the top left-hand side, and click Microsoft Word. You will have to add RefWorks into Word. In order to do this, you'll have to open up a Word document, and for this case, you'd want to open up your research paper. Once you're in the doc, you're going to go ahead and click on the Add-ons button on the top ribbon and type in RCM for RefWorks Citation Manager. And as you can see, it is the very top result. Go ahead and select Add, and as you can see, it automatically appears on the top ribbon and on the right-hand side. You're going to go ahead and type in your login and password information for Embry-Riddle. Once you're logged in, all of your RefWorks citations will be synced and you'll have access to any saved research from your RefWorks account. You're able to add in-text citations for any research you're referring to, quoting, or paraphrasing. So when you're ready to add a citation in, you can go ahead and select it, insert citation, and as you can see, it is appearing on the page now. After you've included the citations, you can select the Home button in the 3-bar menu and go ahead and turn Bibliography on. And as you can see, all of the references that are used within this paper are now cited under References. As you add more in-text citations, they will automatically be added to your reference page. As always, you want to proofread and double-check your citations, as citation managers do make mistakes. I'm using APA style, which for in-text citations uses the author's last name and the publication date, as well as an alphabetical order for references, but you are able to switch the citation style if you need something other than APA. For example, if I select APA, I'm able to go through all 7,383 different styles. So if I'd like to change it to IEEE, all you have to do is select Update, and all of your references will be updated. If you have any questions regarding RefWorks and its integration, please make sure to contact us through Ask Us on our library webpage. Thank you.